sa collection data, January to March 2024, comparative report siya. So, ang atong collection sa January to March is 1,460,310 pesos. Then sa January to March 2025, so hindi ko siya gamay, 1,546,927 pesos and 94 cents. So fire prevention activities, so ato fire safety inspection we conducted 898. Then ang atong target sa BPL registered is 1,154. Fire safety inspection to schools, so 48 atong nakandak. Sa January to March lagi hapon siya, sorry 2025 na inaman ang mga ito. So school fire safety lectures and drills, so we have 3. Barangay fire safety lectures and drills, we have 6 barangays. Business establishment fire safety lectures and drills, 8. Bandilio, 15. So once a month, so 15 ka barangays ang among na balik-balik pag ito. So residential house, to house inspection, 20 households out of 15,828 households sa among record. So next, operation activities. So emergency response, transpo na to, so 12 from January to March. Then emergency response, drills conducted 16 in all. Standby first aid unit for atong nakandakan na places. Monitoring 60 ka persons ang atong reported. Then ang EMS activities, first aid lecture 16. Blood donation, we have 2. Logistical updates. So ang ato karon nga available vehicles is na atay 3. Pero ang atong kuan is naka-repair ang usa ka fire trucks, pero diin sila pwede gihapon di ba ko maka-feed bisan kung hinay mo lang niyang pump. So ang ilang diin na pukulot. Dako ang kuan cheap pila ang atong inhalang budget para ma-repair tong atong pump.
1,000.
Sa katong may penetrator pa naman ito na ito. Mga makasold nito sa mga barangays, mga small alleys. So, natin sa ka-ambulance. So, that's all. Programs and activities conducted January to March, pictorials and activities. Barangay for safety lectures and drills na conducted CPAC establishment, Barangay Atabay. So, Barangay Bagong Bayan, Barangay Baliw, Barangay Lamak, Barangay Bantige, and Barangay Libertad. So that's our drills and lectures CPAC establishment. So 6 ka barangay. So we have safety lectures and drills in business establishments. So CFPP at Barangay Ugnayan, so we add to be sa mga 5 ka barangays adto para pag-locate kung asa itong mga areas na mga dikit-dikit kay mo ay atong ihimo na red zones, mo ay atong identify as red zones kay ato nang kandahan sila o fire pre-fire planning kung diin mag-locate ta kung asay atong mga area kung pilay mga gamit sa atong mga hose lines ngadto sa pinakasuok na dili na masulod fire truck. So distribution of flyers, open house, so public address or radio, barangay for safety lectures and drills, fire safety lectures and drills in school, sorry. Thank you.